The Lego deals are upon us. It is time to buy Lego. If you are a Lego investor or a Lego collector, then this week you're probably busy scouting all of the amazing deals across all of the different marketplaces, and it is a fun time. So on this channel, we talk about Lego investing, where we buy Lego sets, we hold them as the values go up, because when they're no longer manufactured, that's exactly what happens. Values start to rise. And we have retirement of Lego sets next month. So typically Lego sets will retire around 2 times a year, and one of those times is December of each year, and that corresponds really nicely with the deal season. So we have Black Friday week and all the different deals that happen with it, and we also have sets that are retiring soon. So it is a fun time to be a Lego investor, and I want to just talk a little bit about some of the deals that I'm seeing out there and just kind of quickly breeze through some of the things that are happening on some of the big retailers, at least in the United States. This, of course, will vary depending on what market you are in and what retailers you typically buy from, but I'm going to give some examples of the things that I'm seeing here in the US market and what is happening with some prices of sets. So I'm just going to share a little bit about what I'm seeing out there in some of the big retailers in the US. What sets are going on sale? How good are the deals? What are we seeing this Black Friday week? Now, again, this is midweek, and this stuff could change over the next couple days as we get closer to Thanksgiving and to Black Friday and then into Cyber Monday. So this is all subject to change and also subject to availability, because I'm noticing that a lot of these sets are already selling out. They're already kind of getting difficult to find, and I'm hearing different stories from people in the community going out to stores and seeing some stores being completely sold out of some of the deals and other stores having a lot of stock. So it totally depends on where you are, what sites you're using, and different things like that. So prices that I'm looking at here may be different when you go to check them, and also availability may be different, so keep that in mind. And then the other thing to call out before we look at some of these deals is I'm not going to go through every deal that's out there right now. I'm just going to kind of highlight some of the ones that I have seen as being pretty interesting. There are tons of them out there. There's a lot of competition between all the different retailers right now, and so they're matching each other's prices and they're dropping prices pretty hard and fast. Now, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you go and hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about Lego investing. And with that, let's just jump in. Let's talk about some of these deals. And I'm going to start with Walmart. So Walmart in the US, they have been matching a lot of prices from Amazon, from Target for the last couple of days, and typically that's what we see from Amazon, Walmart, and Target in the US. They're all competing with each other, and if one of them starts a great sale, the other two will typically follow, and that's what happened this week. We had Target actually make the first plunge into Black Friday deals. They dropped a handful of prices a couple days ago. Walmart and Amazon both quickly followed and matched a lot of those prices. So those are kind of some of the deals we saw early from Walmart. But what I'm going to talk about real quick here is not those price match discounts, but actually the discounts that Walmart themselves have come out the gate with as part of their Black Friday sales. And they had 4 major discounts on Lego sets in the US. I think there might have been actually another 1 or 2, but these are the big 4 that everybody's talking about in the communities. And what are those 4? So first we have the Jurassic World Baryonyx Dinosaur Boat Escape 76942. So this Jurassic World set is half price in Walmart right now. It's an $80 set. It's down to $40. Which, of course, whenever we see Lego sets for half price, it definitely kind of makes us raise our eyebrows, right? It's a great sale, it's a great deal. On top of that half price, there are also some cashback offers available from Rakuten and similar cashback sites as well for Walmart this week. So you can get a really good price on the Baryonyx Dinosaur Boat Escape 76942. You know, I think that this set has some potential. I think it's a little bit of a boring set. The boat is super boring. But, you know, dinosaur molds can grow in value, and this one has 4 minifigures in the box and that dinosaur mold for $40, which is very, very good value. Again, it's an $80 MSRP on this set. So it's easy to see this one going up in value. Now, that is the first one. And then secondly, we have the Hogwarts Express here from the Harry Potter theme, also at $40, also MSRP of $80. So that is a half price set right now. This one kind of surprised me a little bit, to be honest, because it is a very, very high quality set. It is a central set to the theme of Harry Potter. I didn't expect to see it at half price. This set has been discounted a lot throughout its life, and it has had a pretty long life, but I didn't expect to see it at half price. I've never seen it discounted below, I think, maybe 30%, and even at that, most of the time it was discounted 20%. 50% discount on this is substantial. Now, there is a newer version of the Hogwarts Express, of course, that $500 expensive version of this. So in my opinion, in order to do well with this one as an investment, we do need to get it at a great price, because if you're paying MSRP of $80 on this and you are expecting it to get to maybe $200, $220 so you can get a great return on investment on it, well, in my opinion, it might take some time to get up to those numbers, just because there is a new version of the train, so some of the demand will go to the new version. And also, I feel like this set is going to have a lot of third-party supply on it. Now, that said, at $40, in my opinion, it's a fantastic price for this set, right? That's half price for the Hogwarts Express. Next up, we have the Star Wars Imperial Shuttle 75302. And actually, real quick, I do got to call out that you are seeing that a lot of these sets are not available online anymore with Walmart. So although we see the price, there is no add to cart button, which means it has sold out. There is a good chance that they will restock throughout the week and different things like that. But as of right now, as I'm looking at these, there is no available stock online. I can check availability in stores around me, but no add to cart button here to actually get it shipped. It is selling quite fast, right? Because these prices are incredible. So next up, we see the Imperial Shuttle from the Star Wars theme. This is 75302, and this one is $40 as well on Walmart. This one has a $70 retail price, so that's just over a 40% discount on Imperial Shuttle. Again, amazing price for this set. Now, this set has been discounted throughout its life as well, quite a lot. Again, I haven't really seen it discounted 40%, but it has been definitely available, readily available at 20% off. So this is one that I would definitely want to get at a good price if I was investing in it. But this price is amazing for this, right? $40 for the Imperial Shuttle. And then lastly, on Walmart here, we have Marvel Spider-Man Attack on the Spider Lair. That is 76175. Also $40 for this one. Another amazing deal. So we have 4 awesome deals here from Walmart. They are being selective about what they discount. It is not a case where every set is at great prices across the site, but these 4 sets are seeing some awesome deals. Again, we do need to remember that this could mean that there are going to be more investors, more resellers and different things on these listings after the retirement, and that the sets from last year's Black Friday that Walmart had did continue to have a lot of stock on Amazon throughout the year this year, even after retirement. But what I would say is, as long as we don't see that happen again, as long as we don't see Amazon continue to have stock of a set long into retirement again, then there's more than likely a good chance that the people who get these sets at these prices will do quite well, because you don't need the price to go up a whole lot when you're getting it for half price before you have a really good investment. So moving over to Target now, let's look at some of the deals that have been available on Target.com for the last couple of days. First up, we have the Hogwarts Wizard's Chest. This is 76392. It is an exclusive to Target set. This is just a 20% off discount. Still worth calling out because it is an exclusive set. It is not as strong of a discount as the kind that we just looked at from Walmart. But it's available for $48. It is a $60 retail price on this one. If you were looking for this set, then this could be a good opportunity to pick it up. Next up, we have a Disney Encanto set. This is the Isabella's Magical Door 43201. I love this set. This is an awesome set that's 30% off right now. In my opinion, this could do quite well at this price point. You're getting it for $14 down from $20, and I haven't seen it at 30% off before now. It has been discounted 20% off on Amazon before, but for a long period of time, this set was not discounted at all. And it was just and there was also a period where it wasn't really readily available. It was kind of selling out of stock and different things. So now it's available at 30% off. In my opinion, that's a good opportunity for those who want to stock up on any of the Encanto sets. This one and Antonio's Magical Door as well are both retiring this year, so that could be an opportunity if that is on your hit list. Next up, we have a Wolverine mech set. This is 76202. Some of these Marvel mech sets can do very, very well. They are low priced, but it's very easy to see some of these prices quickly double and triple in the aftermarket. And this one is $7 right now on Target. It has also been matched by Amazon and by Walmart, which also a lot of these prices have been matched by those other retailers. But Target, $7 right now. It's a $10 MSRP, so it's 30% off. I know that Target say you're saving $1 here, 13% off. And they have the regular price listed as $8, but that's actually not true. The regular price on this set is $10. So this is a 30% off on Wolverine Mech armor, and it is 76202. Again, this one is definitely going to do very, very well. The problem with this is buying enough of them that makes it worth your time, because quantity limits are going to make it a little bit tricky for you to get a good quantity of these sets. We also have another mech set here from Marvel. This is the Black Panther Mech Armor 76204, also available at the same price of $7. Both 30% off, both really good deals. Next up, we have some Harry Potter sets. We've got the Harry Potter Hogwarts Moments sets. A lot of them are discounted here in Black Friday week 2022. We have the Transfiguration class right here, which is 33% off on Target.com. It is at $20 right now and MSRP of $30. So that's a fantastic price for this set. This entire range is retiring in December, and there is a chance that they could do quite well. The Herbology set did quite well last year, but what I would say about these sets is the fact that there's not more of them coming out next year, I think is going to reduce the demand just a little bit. Because if we had a new wave of them coming out, that's going to increase the demand. It's going to make people excited about the sets again and drive some extra collectability. But the fact that all of the range is retiring is going to kind of make it less of a priority for people to collect. I still think the demand is going to be there for them, but we're not going to have that increase or surge in demand that we had in 2022 when the new wave of these was released. But people had to go to eBay and Amazon to buy Herbology because it had already retired, and that really contributed to that set doing really well in the aftermarket. That's not going to happen the same way again for these other sets, but they could still do pretty well, and this one is at a good price with $20 right now. Moving into the next set now, we have another Harry Potter Hogwarts Moments set, and this is the Defense Class 76397. Also heavily discounted. This one's actually 40% off, $18 down from $30. So if you are looking for defense class, then this could be a good opportunity for you. And now let's look at some Amazon deals here as well. What are we seeing on Amazon? We have 40% off on The Mandalorian Trouble on Tatooine, $752.99 on Amazon.com. This is $17.99 right now, down from $30. So this is a 40% discount on Trouble on Tatooine. We have a Technic set here. This is the Ford F-150 Raptor, which is 25% off right now. It's usually a $100 MSRP. It's currently $75 on Amazon, 25% off. Now, this was half price on Walmart not too long ago, so a lot of people are not going to want to buy it at 25% off when it was half price. But what I will say is that 50% off deal was very short-lived, and at 25% off, this could still be an interesting deal for some people out there. So it might be worth a look if you are a Lego Technic investor, and the Raptor, very, very popular. Next up, we have a Lego art set. This is Art Disney, and it is Mickey Mouse 31202, 25% off right now on Amazon.com. This is a $90 set, down from $120, MSRP of $120 down to $90. We have the Imperial Probe Droid here on Amazon, 75306 at $42. That is a 30% discount. Usually $60 MSRP, 30% off for Imperial Probe Droid. And again, a lot of these deals are being replicated on some of the other sites as well. You may also find this set for 30% off on Walmart. And then lastly here, we have Boba Fett helmet. So this is Star Wars Boba Fett helmet 75277, available for 25% off on Amazon.com, which is a $45 purchase price right now, down from $60 MSRP. So that is Boba Fett helmet for $45. Now, once again, there are tons of other deals out there on Walmart, Target, and Amazon, but I just wanted to kind of highlight some of the big ones that people have been talking about on the Facebook group and in the communities for the last couple of days. And these are some pretty good opportunities to get really good prices on Lego sets. Now, we also have those deals that are happening on Lego Shop at Home, the official Lego website. They are doing another promotion this Black Friday weekend, similar to what they did last week for VIP weekend, where they're doing gift with purchases and all of that kind of stuff. So if you missed out on that last weekend, you still have an opportunity to do that and get great deals on lego.com or in the Lego stores, as well as these retailers that we're looking at here, including the big box retailers like Walmart, Amazon, and Target. We also have great promotions from other stores as well, like Kohl's.com had a really good promotion recently where you were able to get a lot of really good sets discounted and also get cash back from Kohl's that you can spend on future orders and all sorts of stuff like that. There is a lot going on here in the world of buying Lego. I hope you're enjoying it so far. There's probably going to be a lot more over the next couple of days that pop up. And if you want to stay on top of all of the latest news, make sure to join our free Facebook group. I have a link in the description down below to join our completely free Facebook group where people will post deals and different things like that. So make sure you grab that link, and when you're down there, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to learn more about Lego investing. With that, I'm Shane from brickbucks.net. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy those deals for Black Friday, and I will see you in the next one.